Let us see in this video how to create a bank account. A bank is a financial institution where the company holds its accounts for managing payments and receipts. In the ERP system, bank details are created and maintained to record all financial transactions accurately. Bank creation is the process of adding a new bank account in the ERP system. Here, enter the bank name, branch, account number, IFSC code, and other details. Once created, the bank can be used for all payment and receipt transactions. Let us take an example. Bank name, ICICI Bank. Bank account number, 14827300008. Bank branch, Chennai Main Branch. IFSC code, ICICI 00018892. SWIFT code, ICICINBB. Log in with the creator's username and password to create a bank account. Click on the Login button. Click on Global Setup, navigating to the bank account screen. Enter the account number manually. The print name will be updated automatically. This name appears in reports. Select the unit location that holds this bank account. Choose the bank account operating currency. Under Type, select the correct account type. The options include current or loan account, cash credit account, savings account, credit card account, SCS account, IFSC account, packing credit account. Current or loan account, used for day-to-day business transactions or managing company loans. Cash credit account, short-term loan facility allowing withdrawals beyond the account balance up to a credit limit. Savings account, for saving money and earning interest, usually for individuals rather than businesses. Credit card account, an account linked to a credit card for payments and purchases on credit. SCS account, subsidiary company account or special credit scheme, used for specific schemes or subsidiary-related transactions. IFSC account, exchange earners foreign currency account, an account that allows companies to hold foreign currency earnings without converting them to the local currency. Packing credit account, a type of loan account that provides pre-shipment finance to exporters for processing RPAC goods. Enter the OD limit. OD stands for overdraft limit. It is the maximum amount a bank allows to be withdrawn beyond the available balance. It helps businesses manage short-term cash flow needs. Choose the appropriate GL account. When the bank is activated, the system will automatically create a GL account under this group. Select the bank. Once bank is chosen, the bank branch, IFSC code, SWIFT code, MICR code, and IBAN code will be updated automatically if they are mapped in the bank branch screen. IFSC code, Indian Financial System Code, a unique code that identifies a specific bank branch in India, mainly used for electronic payments such as NEFT and RTGS. SWIFT bar V IC code, a unique international code used to identify bank for global transactions. It is required for sending or receiving money internationally. MICR code, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition Code, a 9-digit code printed on checks that helps banks process and verify checks quickly and accurately. IBM number, International Bank Account Number, a standardized number used to identify bank accounts across countries, ensuring error-free cross-border transactions. The address details will be updated automatically based on the bank branch, including address 1, address 2, address 3, city, state, and country. Enter the PIN code manually. Telephone, fax, email, and website will be updated automatically based on bank branch. Contacts, click on the Contacts tab. Click Add to enter contact details. Enter the name, designation, and mobile number manually. Enter the telephone number if needed, click Save. The contact will be activated. Checkbook. Enter the checkbook number and the number of leaves in the checkbook. Enter the check start number. The check end number will be updated automatically based on the number of leaves entered. Click Save. Then Activate. The checkbook will be activated. Bank checkbook details can be viewed under the Detail button, including check number, check date if used, check in favor of if used, and amount references will be updated automatically based on transactions. Use checkbook history to view past transactions. Next, prefixes. Click Add and enter payment and receipt prefixes. When saving the document, the prefixes will be activated. During bank transactions, these prefixes will be applied automatically. Current balance. Click on the Current Balance button to view the current balance. Payment in progress, Pay PDC in progress, Receipt in progress, Receipt PDC in progress, and net available balance in the bank. Credit limit. Click Add to define a credit limit. Choose the currency and allowed amount. The utilized amount and balance amounts will be updated automatically. Options include packing credit, bills discounting, bank guarantee, and letter of credit. Packing credit, a short-term loan, or credit, provided to exporter to finance the purchasing, processing, or packing of goods before shipment. Bills discounting, a credit facility, where the bank purchases bills or invoices before the due date at the discount, providing immediate funds to the business. Bank guarantee, a limit set for guarantee issued by the bank on behalf of a company, assuring payment or performance to a third party if the company fails to meet its obligations. Letter of credit, a credit facility where the bank assures payment to a supplier on behalf of the buyer once the required documents are submitted as proof of shipment. Click Activate to activate the bank account. The bank account has been activated. Thank you for watching this video.